Hey, Jammers! Hey, Jammer! No, I'm joking. Hello, Jammer. Wait, why is that moving? Why is that moving? Hello, Jammers, and today is a video of just telling you that this is my panda, because the panda's the back. And look, sleep. Why have I got no clothes on? Oh my god, why have I got no clothes on? Can you tell me, pet? Why have I got no? Oh, I better stop that. Right. This is the funky panda. Ew! Oh my god. Oh my god. Right. Sorry. Right. This is how he sits. Cautious. LOL. Immerse werewolf 11. He's ugly. I'm joking. I am just joking, like, because he's actually my brother. Say hello.
Hello.
Don't be shy. Say hello.
Hello. I'm his older brother.
Yeah, Kai, Immerse werewolf. He was like, oh, like really silent when I said he was horrible. Well, he's not. He's a nice brother. But so yeah, and this is my other animal, Master Rocket Seal. Swag. Why can't I say swag? Swag. Swap. I'll just say swap. I'll just say swap then. Woo! Instead of swag. Check my swap. Woo! Yeah, it's close enough. Yeah. So, guys, I have nothing else to do. Oh yeah, guys, I want to show you something quickly. How you get so many phantom scarecrows is, how you get a phantom scarecrow, you need to go to the phantom vortex here, that little thing, and then you go to phantoms, that game there, and then you need to protect your candy, and then at the end your prize will be that. But I'm really bad at this game. Excuse me if I lose, because I'm just really bad at this game. I'm real bad at this game. I'm the worst ever. I'm like the worst at this game ever. So if you're gonna like, oh, told you, I'm stuck already. Oh, come on. I run 3 jumps, yeah. But basically you complete that and then like, oops, that was an accident. 1 diamond. Kai, want anything for 1 diamond?
Yeah.
Okay. It's my brother, you may have heard him. Oh, bulky golden. Yeah.
That I know is members.
Members. I'll buy you something.
Yeah.
Hey, what?
Yeah.
Wait, do you have
I have.
them?
Yeah, I have 2.
Do you have the tail?
Yeah, I have 1 of the tail.
Well, these are the feet.
Yeah, I have 2 of the feet.
And I have the tail of the. No, that's a bad trade. No, that's a bad trade. Curse you. No, not trade. Oh my god, people just beg and beg and beg. No. Sorry, guys. But people just beg for like this. What fault? What fault? Yeah. Yeah, I do not live in a fort. It's funny say that. I live in a mansion. Oh, I don't live in a mansion. I really do not live in a mansion. But what are you saying? Yeah, move out the way of that question mark. Swag. Rude little man. Curse you. say curse at you because I can't say curse you so much. I say curse you. Curse
Where's
at
that
you.
little box?
I'm actually going to buy 1,000 gems.
No.
Sorry.
Weirdo.
Sorry, Kai.
Weirdo.
Weirdo. Basically,
Yeah,
check out his channel as well because he is Mr. Is it space?
No.
Mr. Ghostly. Space. There is a space after Mr. Ghostly. There is a space after Ghostly,
It's just
but we
Mr.
can't
Ghostly
do it.
Junior.
Yeah, then Junior.
I'll put it in the
like
description.
space.
Maybe.
Yeah, I will.
If he
I'll
knows
put it
how
in
to-
the description.
If he knows how to do it.
Shut up. I'll put it in the description.
He's not
then.
very good with technology.
Will you shut up? Sorry, guys. Basically, yeah. So, thank you guys for watching, and wait a minute. Oops, panda, stay there. Right. So, panda. Bye! Said the panda. Bye bye.